What if a simple capsule could stabilize your blood sugar, improve metabolism, and supposedly help manage type 2 diabetes symptoms? Sounds impressive, right? That's exactly the promise behind Glycocept, a supplement currently being promoted across various websites and ads claiming it uses natural, plant-based ingredients to support healthy glucose levels. According to the marketing page, the formula contains compounds like cinnamon extract, berberine, chromium, and bitter melon, ingredients that are often associated with metabolic health and blood sugar regulation. Individually, some research does suggest these nutrients may support the body's ability to process glucose, but it's important to understand that most of the evidence available focuses on the ingredients themselves rather than on the Glycocept formula as a finished product. This means there are currently no widely recognized clinical trials proving that Glycocept as a supplement can treat or effectively control diabetes. Another thing worth paying attention to is the marketing style used to promote the product. The sales pages often feature dramatic testimonials, extremely high ratings, and claims of thousands of satisfied users, yet there is very little independent verification confirming these results. Some advertisements also display authority signals such as doctor imagery or FDA-approved facility wording, which can easily give the impression of official medical approval, even though the FDA does not approve dietary supplements in the same way it approves medications. In addition, the promotional pages frequently use tactics like countdown timers, limited stock alerts, and bundle discounts, encouraging buyers to purchase multiple bottles at once, which is a strategy commonly seen in affiliate marketing funnels. Overall, while the ingredients themselves may support general wellness for some people, the strong claims surrounding Glycocept appear to rely heavily on marketing rather than solid scientific validation. As with any supplement that claims to impact blood sugar or diabetes-related symptoms, it's always important to approach it carefully. Research independently and consider professional medical advice before making a decision.